The game, mom, the game, mom. See, they get very adventurous.
I can see.
He probably hears her baby soon. Getting anxious.
Oh, she's getting pissed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You get 5.
Yeah.
2
See
males.
any other signs of egg cracking?
Just that one. It doesn't look like it's made much progress, but
It's coming.
cracking. I can't see the other ones. Ducklings.
Look at them.
True gamers.
Guys, what's going on?
You expect them to be a lot smaller, but they're basically like average-sized ducklings.
Yeah. Those mallards at work are a little bigger than this, but
really?
these are call ducks though, so smaller.
I'd expect them to be a lot smaller, honestly.
Yeah, I was surprised how large those mallards were. Probably they're moving. So you can try to see. Oh, come on, guys. You hear 'em? Oh, chill, mama.
Game in the egg. This is a game in the egg. Down over there is definitely hatching. Starting up with the other ones.